So this is the new Dometic CFX65W. There was the box that it came in. I was going to replace the other one that we got earlier this year. This one's got the dual climate. We're going to test it out and actually see how that works out. But as you can tell the difference, if you'll go back to my other video, the old model had just one of these was the freezer, and it was a much smaller one. And then it had a lid on it and everything. And then this is the new one. So you've got your 110 and the 12 volt, or 24 volt now is the upgrade from this one. And then we've got the controls on this side, a USB port down here if you need to use it. I will have to reverse the hinges on it because my power is on the other side, just like what I did the other one. So give me a minute, let me get this fired up and we'll see what it does. Alright, so we've got it plugged in to the kilowatt. So we'll go ahead and fire it up. Compressor is yet to kick on. So we're toggling in between 0.04 and 0.05 amps. As you can tell, the compressor's kicked on. We're up to, it was just at 0.4 amps, up from 0.04 to 0.05. So we will give it a little bit of time. We'll hit it with the infrared thermometer and we'll see what we get. All right, so we've given it a little bit of time. It has dropped it down to 12 degrees Fahrenheit. I did test the Wi-Fi out, and it's pretty neat. Just the ability to change the temperature, check and see where it's at, if there's any alarms, if it starts losing power or anything like that. Over the weekend, our battery charger actually didn't keep up between everything with the fridge, the TV, the fan, everything that we had going. And at one point, the voltage got low enough that the Dometic shut off. And had I not have noticed the light difference on the display, that it was completely shut off, I mean, we could have lost all of our groceries and everything throughout the weekend. Let me grab the temp gun. So the fins coming off the compressor is reading at 83. It claims this is down to 10 degrees right now. Let's find out. So shooting on the wall, we are -2 degrees, -5, 47. 46, -1, -3, -3. Well, show you one more thing, just to save you from the mistakes that I made on my other one. I could not find any videos out there that showed how to reverse the hinges. All you have to do is pop this off. Right there, you can see that one little bar that comes through. Same thing over there. Once you take that off, there are 3 screws on this little plate in here that you can see right there in the corner. You'll take those 3 screws off. These are covers. I did not know that. I thought it was just plastic, that you would have to penetrate the plastic. On our old one, I did not know to pop those off. So whenever you do this, once you just pop those off, obviously just reverse it. That one will go over there, that one will go over here. Same thing with those hinges. They'll come over here to where if your power needs to be at the other side, then you can do so. So that is my review of CFX 65W. There's absolutely no videos on Amazon, no pictures, no reviews or anything yet. So I just figured I'd show everybody this one. That way then they could see it in action. If you guys have got any questions, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer it.